Hello everyone. So today we shall see about relations. What is called a relation? See, relation in a usual life, relation means it is between some two people, or it can be between two things, right? Like that in mathematics also, we mean by a relation between two sets. Okay, so let us take let A and B are both are non-empty sets. Okay, they are non-empty sets. Okay, there are some elements. Let us take, say A has some elements, say 1, 2, 3, and B has some elements, say A and B. Okay, say this is A and this is B. So how we can think of a relation between these two sets means, it is a relation between two sets means a relation between the elements of those sets. Okay, say for example 1 is related with A, maybe 2 is also related with A. Fine, that's all. In this family there are 3 people, and this family there are 2 people, but these 2 people are related with that. Okay, so how we can represent it mathematically? I can write it as 1 comma A, and this can be written as 2 comma A. Okay, so I can put them in a single set. Maybe I can call it as R1. See, make one more thing, it is a relation from A to B. We have to call it as relation from A to B. That will be more appropriate rather than saying relation between A and B, because okay, I'll tell you that. So of course R1 is a relation from A to B. Maybe I can define another relation R2, say 3 comma A, and maybe 3 comma B, maybe 2 comma B. Okay, which means in this case what's happening, B is related with both A and B, and A is also has a relation with B. So that relation can be represented like this. Okay, so between these two sets we can define many relations. How many relations, that we shall see. But see, R1 is a relation, R2 is a relation, anyway fine. But note one thing, R1 is a subset of A cross B, am I right? You know what is A cross B? It is a Cartesian product of two sets. How many elements are there in A cross B? Here 3, 2, so there are 3 2s are 6 elements are there. So there are 6 elements. Of course, look at here, the elements which are in the set R1 are there in A cross B. Am I right? So I can simply say R1 is a subset of A cross B. Similarly, you can notice that R2 is also a subset of A cross B. Am I right? So what is the definition for relation means? A relation from a set A to B is defined as that any subset of A cross B, any subset of A cross B is called a relation from a set A to B. Fine. What is called relation from B to A? Yes, any subset of the set B cross A is called a relation from the set B to A. Fine. Okay, thank you.